Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you're a Stash user. How long does it actually take for your mobile deposits to go through? We've all been there. You've got a quick cash infusion, you want it in your Stash account ASAP, and you're tapping that mobile deposit button with eager anticipation. But does Stash deliver on the promise of speedy transactions? Let's find out together. Understanding mobile deposit. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of timing, let's quickly recap what mobile deposit is and how it works. Basically, it's a convenient way to deposit checks into your bank account without having to physically visit a branch. All you need is your smartphone, the Stash app, and a check. You snap a photo of the front and back of the check, enter some details, and submit it. The app then processes the image and sends it to Stash's partner bank. Factors affecting deposit speed. Now, the big question, how long does it take for Stash to process your mobile deposit? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Several factors can influence the speed of the transaction. Check clarity. The quality of the photos you take of the check is crucial. If the images are blurry, unclear, or have glare, it might take longer for the system to process them. Check type. The type of check can also impact processing time. For instance, personal checks might be processed faster than business checks. Bank processing times. Even after Stash processes your deposit, it still needs to be cleared through the banking system. The speed of this process can vary depending on the bank and the time of day. Stash system issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can slow down mobile deposit processing. Typical processing times. While it's difficult to give an exact time frame, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Immediate availability. In some cases, a portion of your deposit might be available immediately after you submit it. This is known as provisional credit. However, the full amount won't be available until the check clears. Hold periods. Stash may place a hold on your deposit for a few days, especially for larger checks or if you're a new customer. This is a standard practice to mitigate the risk of fraud. Weekend and holiday delays. If you submit a deposit on a weekend or holiday, it might take longer to process. Tips for faster deposits. Here are a few tips to help you expedite your mobile deposit process. Ensure check clarity. Take high-quality photos of your check in a well-lit area. Avoid glare and shadows. Double-check details. Carefully verify all the information you enter, such as the check amount and account number. Submit during business hours. If possible, submit your deposit during regular business hours for faster processing. Be patient. Remember that mobile deposit processing can take a few days. Avoid making multiple deposits if you're in a hurry. So, there you have it. While mobile deposit is generally a convenient and efficient way to deposit checks, the processing time can vary. By understanding the factors that influence speed and following our tips, you can help ensure a smoother experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.